Hello, everyone. Welcome back to SpeakEasy FM.
Hi, we're so happy you're here with us today.
I'm Stacy.
And I'm Ian, and on this channel, we help you practice real, everyday English.
If you're new here, welcome. This is the place for simple, real conversations, not textbook English.
Please subscribe and give this video a like. It really helps us reach more people.
Thank you so much. Okay, Ian, how are you today?
Pretty good. A little sleepy, though.
Why sleepy?
Long story. You'll hear about it in a minute.
Now I'm curious. Okay, today's topic is a really useful one. We're going to talk about yesterday.
Yes, how to describe your day using simple past tense. What you did, where you went, who you saw.
This is one of the most common things people talk about. So, how was your day yesterday?
Everyone asks this. Coworkers, friends, family. So today we're going to walk through our own yesterdays step by step.
And hopefully you'll pick up some useful sentences you can use for your own life.
Let's get into it. Stacy, you go first. Tell me about your yesterday.
Okay, so my yesterday started a little unusual. I woke up at 6 in the morning.
6 a.m. on purpose?
Not on purpose at all. My upstairs neighbor decided to move furniture at 6 a.m.
Oh no.
Big bang, drag, bang. I just laid there thinking, really? Right now?
So you were awake. What did you do with this unwanted free time?
Well, since I was already up, I decided to make a proper breakfast. Not just toast, a real one.
What did you make?
I decided to make an omelet. Sounds simple, right?
Should be.
I cracked the eggs and one shell piece fell into the bowl. Tiny, but I had to fish it out with a spoon for like 5 minutes.
The classic eggshell hunt.
The worst hunt. Anyway, I finally got the shell out, added cheese and some spinach, and honestly, it turned out amazing.
Well, at least the furniture disaster gave you a good breakfast.
Silver lining. After breakfast, I watered my plants. I have about 8 of them on my windowsill.
Any accidents there?
Actually, yes. I knocked over a small cactus.
A cactus? Ouch.
Exactly, ouch. I tried to pick it up quickly and got 2 tiny spines in my thumb.
Did it hurt?
A little, but I got them out with tweezers. The cactus is fine, my thumb is fine, my pride is not fine.
A rough start to the morning.
A very rough start. After that, I decided I needed to leave the house before anything else could go wrong. So I went to get new headphones. My old ones broke last week.
What happened to the old ones?
I sat on them. Don't ask.
I wasn't going to.
Thank you. So I went to the electronics store downtown.
Did you find good ones?
I found 2 options, a black pair and a white pair.
Classic decision problem.
Exactly. So I called my friend Maya and sent her photos of both.
What did she say?
She said, "Get the white ones. They look cleaner." Very confident advice.
Did you listen to her?
No, I bought the black ones. Practical. They hide dirt better.
You never listen to your friends.
I listen, I just don't obey. There's a difference.
Fair enough. What else did you do downtown?
I got a smoothie, mango and pineapple. Then I sat outside the shop for a while and just watched people walk by.
Anything interesting happen?
Actually, yes. A man was walking his dog, and the dog stopped completely still and refused to move. Just planted its feet.
A protest.
A full protest. The man pulled gently. Nothing. He tried treats. Nothing. Eventually, he just sat down on the sidewalk with the dog. They were both just sitting there.
I love that. Sometimes you just have to join the protest.
Exactly. After that, I had to run an errand at the post office.
On a weekend? Was it busy?
So busy. I waited almost 40 minutes. I just stood there scrolling through my phone.
What was the errand?
I had to send a birthday gift to my sister. It only took 2 minutes once I got to the counter. The wait was the real gift, apparently.
A gift of patience.
A gift I did not ask for. So after the post office madness, I was hungry. It was already 2:30 and I hadn't eaten lunch.
Where did you go?
A little sandwich shop near my apartment. I ordered a turkey sandwich and a soup.
How was it?
The sandwich was great, but the soup had this vegetable I didn't recognize at all. Kind of orange, a little sweet.
Maybe squash?
Maybe. I didn't ask. I just ate it and moved on with my life.
Sometimes that's the best approach. What happened in the evening?
In the evening, I met my cousin for dinner. We went to a Thai place.
Nice. What did you order?
I got pad Thai, she got a curry. We shared both because that's the rule when we eat together.
The sharing rule. Important.
Essential. We talked for almost 2 hours, mostly about our childhood, actually. She reminded me that I used to be terrified of balloons.
Balloons?
The popping sound. I would cry at every birthday party, every single one.
That's adorable, actually.
It was not adorable at the time, trust me. After dinner, we walked around a little, got some ice cream, and I got home around 10.
A pretty full day.
A very full day. Furniture noise, cactus attack, headphone drama, dog protest, and balloon trauma revealed, all in one day.
That's basically a movie plot.
Okay, your turn. Why were you sleepy today?
Right. So my yesterday started at a completely normal time, 8 a.m. Nothing dramatic.
A calm start. Enjoy it while it lasts.
I decided to cook breakfast too, actually. I wanted pancakes.
Uh-oh.
Why, uh-oh?
Nothing. Continue.
So I mixed the batter, but I misjudged the amount completely.
How many pancakes did you end up with?
14.
14 pancakes? For one person?
For one very optimistic person, yes. I ate 4, and then I just stared at the remaining 10, wondering what I had done with my life.
What did you do with the extra 10?
I brought some to my neighbor, Mr. Patel. He's retired and lives alone. I knocked on his door and just said, "Do you like pancakes?"
That's so sweet.
He looked confused for a second, then very happy. I gave him 6, and he insisted on giving me a jar of his homemade jam in return.
A pancake trade.
The best kind of trade. The last 4 pancakes are still in my fridge, silently judging me.
What did you do after the pancake situation?
I went to check out a new board game shop that just opened near my place.
Oh, fun. Did you buy anything?
Not yesterday, but the guy working there showed me 3 different games and explained all the rules. I was there for almost an hour.
That's a very patient shop worker.
Extremely patient. I told him I'd come back with friends to actually play one.
We should go together sometime.
Deal. After the game shop, I had to go to the bank. Small issue with my card.
Was it busy?
Painfully busy. I waited 35 minutes just to talk to someone for 5 minutes.
The bank waiting curse. It's universal, apparently.
Completely universal. While I waited, I just played a puzzle game on my phone to survive.
Smart survival technique. What happened in the afternoon?
After the bank, I was starving, so I got lunch at a little diner. I ordered a burger and fries.
Simple and safe.
Exactly what I needed after the morning I had. Then I walked home slowly because the weather was actually really nice.
Did anything interesting happen on the walk?
Yes, actually. I saw a kid on a scooter going way too fast down the sidewalk and his hat flew off. He didn't even stop, just kept going, hat rolling behind him like a tumbleweed.
Did anyone catch it?
An older woman picked it up and just held it up in the air, and the kid circled back to grab it without even slowing down. Very smooth teamwork, actually.
A whole choreographed moment.
Better than most movies I've watched, honestly. So in the evening, I stayed in. I cooked a simple dinner, just rice and some vegetables.
Not pancakes for dinner too?
I couldn't even look at pancakes at that point.
Understandable. What did you do after dinner?
I watched half a documentary about deep-sea creatures while I ate. Genuinely fascinating stuff.
Only half?
I fell asleep on the couch around 9. Woke up at 11, confused, in the dark, with the TV still playing.
That explains the sleepiness today.
Exactly. I basically had 2 short nights instead of 1 long one. Then I actually went to bed properly, read a little bit, and turned off the light around midnight.
So your yesterday was pancake overload, board games, a bank marathon, a runaway hat, and a couch nap.
When you say it like that, it does sound like a lot happened.
It really does. Okay, let's ask each other a few more questions just for practice. Ian, what time exactly did you go to the bank?
I got there around 1 p.m.
And how did you get there? Walk or drive?
I walked. It's close to my apartment.
Last one. What was the best part of your day?
Definitely giving Mr. Patel the pancakes. His face when he tried the jam trade, that made my whole day.
That's really sweet.
Your turn. What time did you meet your cousin?
We met at 7 in the evening.
How did you get to the restaurant?
I took the bus. It was faster than driving and parking downtown.
And the best part of your day?
Honestly, hearing about my balloon fear again. It made us laugh so hard we almost cried.
A perfect ending to a chaotic day.
Okay, let's slow down and go over some useful words and phrases from today.
Great idea. First, let's talk about had to. This means something was necessary. You couldn't really avoid it.
I said, I had to run an errand at the post office. It means it wasn't optional.
I said, I had to go to the bank. Same idea. Something forced you to do it.
You can also say things like, it started to rain, so we had to go inside.
Next word, while. This connects two actions happening at the same time.
I said, while I waited, I played a puzzle game. Two things happening together.
My example was similar. While I waited at the bank, I scrolled through my phone.
The structure is easy. Action 1, while. Action 2.
Next phrase, what kind of? Great for asking for more details.
I asked, what kind of vegetable was in the soup? Instead of just, what was in it?
You can use this for almost anything. What kind of music? What kind of movie? What kind of food?
It shows you're actually curious about the details.
Next word, busy. Meaning you had a lot to do, not much free time.
The post office was so busy, or my day was really busy.
The opposite would be quiet or relaxed. My morning was quiet before the chaos started.
And last, a reaction phrase. Oh no! Perfect for small problems, not big disasters.
When you told me about the cactus, I said, oh no. When I told you about the 14 pancakes, you probably should have said it too.
Oh no, 14 pancakes? That's a lot of syrup.
See? Perfect use.
So today's words are had to, while, what kind of, busy, and oh no.
5 simple tools that make any story about your day sound more natural.
Let's go over everything we talked about today.
We learned how to describe our mornings, afternoons, and evenings using simple past tense.
We shared some pretty chaotic stories, my cactus incident and your 14 pancakes.
We used connecting words like while and had to make our stories flow better.
And we practiced asking follow-up questions like, what time, how did you get there, and what was the best part?
The most important thing is you don't need fancy grammar, just simple past tense verbs and a story to tell.
Woke up, made, went, saw, ate, talked, felt. These are your best friends when talking about yesterday.
Start small. Even one sentence like, yesterday I ate pasta for dinner is a complete, great sentence.
Don't worry about mistakes either. If you say, I go to the store yesterday, that's okay. Next time you'll remember, I went.
Mistakes are just part of learning. We all make them.
Okay, time for our favorite part.
The question of the day.
Today's question is simple. What did you do yesterday?
Tell us about your morning, your afternoon, or your evening. Just pick one part if the whole day feels like too much.
You can write something like, yesterday I cooked dinner with my family, or I studied for 3 hours and then watched a movie.
If you want a challenge, try using one of our 5 words from today. While, had to, what kind of, busy, or oh no.
Any answer is a great answer. We read every single comment.
We really do. We love hearing about your lives, even the small, boring parts.
Especially the small, boring parts, actually. Those are usually the most relatable.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today.
It really means a lot that you chose to practice English with us.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who's also learning.
And subscribe to SpeakEasy FM so you never miss a new episode.
Remember, every story you tell, even a messy one, is great practice.
Especially the messy ones, honestly.
From both of us,
Keep learning, keep practicing.
have a wonderful day.
Bye, everyone!
Bye!